Strengthen the love between family members in your home by putting these GG numbers and codes behind any picture of your family or a spouse or any relation that you want to bring in more love and happiness in. All you have to do is just take any ordinary picture that you have, any picture, any printed picture. On the back side of the picture, write these codes. If you want to harmonize the family environment, 2855555901. If you want to build up harmonious relations within the family, you write 8901, give it a little space, 6798, again another little space, 914, space again, 81. Write the switch phrase, together divine love. If you want to develop more love between the members, 5294361. And to increase happiness, you write 487042169. Just write these codes, whatever you want to, whatever you feel aligned with, or you can select either one, or you can write all. You don't need to write the names. All you need to do is just write the numbers. Once done, reverse it, put it in your frame, and just put some rose quartz and amethyst in front of the picture and put it in your display. Preferably, put this picture in the northeast of your house, because that's the place, that's the direction where you bring in more prosperity, more abundance. Let it flow into your family, let it flow into your home. God bless.